Welcome to HK Auto Garage. Today we're taking a look at the 2026 Honda S2000. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Honda S2000 pays homage to the classic design while incorporating sleek modern touches. The front features sharp angular lines with a wide aggressive stance and a bold grille. LED headlights provide a high-tech look, while the low-slung body emphasizes the car's performance-focused nature. The overall silhouette is compact and aerodynamic, enhancing both style and efficiency. Available in stunning new color options like solar yellow and midnight pearl, the S2000 looks as dynamic as it drives. Inside, the 2026 S2000 is designed to provide a pure driving experience with a driver-centric cockpit. The interior features premium materials like leather and Alcantara, creating a refined yet sporty environment. The seats are supportive and sculpted, perfect for spirited driving, while the minimalistic dashboard ensures that all focus remains on the road ahead. A new digital display replaces the traditional gauges, providing real-time data and customizable views. The cabin is snug but well-appointed, with enough space for two passengers to enjoy the ride without feeling cramped. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda S2000 is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering around 300 horsepower. This new powertrain offers a balance of power and efficiency, with improved torque delivery for quicker acceleration. The car is equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission, offering precise and engaging shifts. The rear-wheel drive setup, along with a limited slip differential, ensures excellent handling and cornering capabilities. The suspension system has been fine-tuned for both comfort and agility, providing a smooth ride without sacrificing performance. Whether you're on a winding back road or at the track, the S2000 handles like a dream. As for pricing, the 2026 Honda S2000 starts around $45,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching up to $55,000. While it's not the cheapest sports car on the market, the S2000's performance, quality, and iconic status make it a worthwhile investment for driving enthusiasts. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda S2000 is a brilliant modern reinterpretation of a classic. It combines the thrill of the original S2000 with new technology, performance, and design elements, making it one of the most exciting sports cars of the year. Be sure to stay tuned to HK Auto Garage for more reviews and updates.